Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Yellow color, light green color, blue color, violet color, black color, green color, red color, pink color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, and purple color. Kids, in this video we will trace capital letters A, B, C, D and numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's trace. Kids, we are tracing capital letter A. A. A for apple. Now we are tracing letter B. B for bee. Now kids, we are tracing letter C. C for cat. Kids, we are tracing letter D. D for dog. Blue color. Now kids, we are tracing letter E. E for eagle. Letter F. F for fish. Letter G. G for goat. Numbers 1. O and E 1. Number 2. TWO 2. Number 3. THREE 3. Number 4. FOUR 4. Number 5. FIBE 5. Number 6. SIX 6. Number 7. SEVEN 7. Number 8. EIGHT 8. Number 9. NINE 9. Now kids, we write letter A, letter B, C, D, orange color, E, F, G. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. Numbers 1. O and E 1. Number 2. TWO 2. Number 3. PHREE 3. Number 4. FOUR 4. Number 5. FIBE 5. Number 6. SIX 6. Number 7. SEVEN 7. Number 8. EIGHT 8. Number 9. NINE 9. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.